Hello, director and classmates. My name is Alejandro Betancourt Lopez. This is a recording to fulfill the third phase of the English A2 course. Then I will read the postcard sent to my mom from my trip, The Great Wall of China. Postcard hypothetical situation. The Great Wall of China. Dear Mom, I want to tell you the section of the most popular Great Wall of China is the one built by the Ming Dynasty between the cities of Shanghaiwan in the east to Jiayuan in the west. Before visiting the Green Wall, I was the city of Beijing, knowing the Tiananmen Gate. It is an amazing place. It is an official symbol of the People's Republic of China and the apex of the nation's shield. It was difficult for me to communicate with the people there because most speak Mandarin only. However, this did not prevent me from enjoying the trip. I am fascinated by the many colors of its architecture. After visiting Beijing, I traveled to the city of Shanghaiwan. Here I began my tour of the Great Wall of China. In the furrow of the rank, I find myself at the entrance of the tower called the First Face Under Heaven. To make the tour of the Great Wall of China, you have to walk in a road. That's why I put on my sunglasses and a sports suit. Put a lot of sunscreens and prepared to enjoy this spectacular wonder of the world. I miss you so much. I will come back to give a big kiss and a big hug. Love, kisses. Thank you very much, dear tutor and classmates. I have finished my presentation. See you.